Nice alarm clock.
No, wait, come back. I hate my alarm clock. Does this ever happen to you?
You lose a close friend because your alarm clock sucks? Hello, I'm Jose Jesus Pedro Pablo Francisco Smith.
And I'm Guadalupe Consuelo Selena Costa Rica Thomas. Do you like a fly Queen Elizabeth lifestyle?
Then why's your alarm clock so Miley Cyrus? Come on down to alarm clocks and more.
This is what a regular alarm clock sounds like. No, I'm tired of that.
Here at Alarm Clocks and More, we have all different types of alarm clocks. Happy alarm clocks? Good morning. It's time to wake up and start your day, sunshine. Yes, that is my voice. Why should it not be? It was half my idea.
We even have funny alarm clocks?
Why did the chicken cross the road? I don't know. Maybe you should wake up and find out.
International alarm clocks. Oui, bonjour, you're in France. Ooh la la, croissants and cheese. Time change, what?
We even got alarm clocks for all different kinds of persons.
I'm in the army. Do you have an alarm clock for that?
Yeah.
Time to get up, maggot. But I don't want to. No! Drop down and give me 20. Who? What?
Awesome.
What about me? I'm a teenager.
Check this one out. Time to get up for school. Hell no, Ma. I want to go back to bed. Don't make me rip you out of there. Fine, let me just update my status on Facebook right quick.
That totally relates to me. Thank you.
But what about me? I like small children. We even have one for you. It's 8:30. Get the kid home. You're gonna get arrested. Oh! Speaking of which...
We even have alarm clocks for special occasions.
I'm getting married today. Gotta get my hair did and I can't see my partner 24 hours before. What?
We even got some for the elderly.
Wake up, Dolores and Eleanor are here. Heat up the raisin pudding. Don't drive slow. Bocce ball.
So come on down to Alarm Clocks and More and get the fantasy alarm clocks of your dreams.
Hey, let's go back to my place.
That was
I got
nice.
to use a condom. Left some money by the kitchen table. Peace.
Bye.
One thing.
Shitty titties.
Are you mocking me, Scott?
No.
Do you like a fly Queen Elizabethan lifestyle?
Nice alarm clock.
No, wait. Come back. I hate my alarm clock. Does this ever happen to you?
You lose a close friend because your alarm clock sucks? Hi, hello. I'm Jose Pablo. It's fucking humidity. That thing.
Death.
Oh.
My alarm clock's so bad, I'm blind.
And I'm Guadalupe Castuelo. Fuck me!
I never knew fuck me was a real...
What did I do? Take 3.
Yeah. Ugh, that alarm clock sucks.
It's not your line.
It sucks so bad she can't even get out of bed.
At Alarm Clocks and More, we got all kinds of doorbells.
Doorbells.
It's not doorbells, it's alarm clocks! Shitty titties!
So, yeah. Alright.
Oui, bonjour.
Are you getting old? Wake up.
You haven't hit the log.
Musical. It's time for morning.
Alarm clock sucks.
But I don't want to. No! Drop down and give me 20. Who? Ah! Right.
Did it wrong. Redo.
Shit, really?
It's who?
Who?
At Alarm Clocks and More, we got all kinds of doorbells.
You did it again. I'm gonna punch you.
Perfect. All right, this is
Good
perfect.
idea, Scott.
Thanks, Scott.
Thanks, you.
Thanks, Scotty.
He's filled with sunshine.
And I'm Maria Consuelo Guadalupe Selena Costa Rica.
But I like small children.
We got
one for you.
I forget what this is.
Oh my god.
Seriously. That was good acting on my part, too. No, I'm tired of that.
What? Ugh. For those of you who don't know, it's shattered. You can actually bring it and show it. This is what was supposed to happen, but
We don't like alarm clocks anymore.